In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make page turn effect in Canva. We'll create a smooth page, turn animation right inside Canva. And then I'll show you a quick way to generate an automatic flipbook style effect using a built-in integration. By the end, you'll have a clean, polished transition that looks like a real page turning. First, open your design and make sure your project has at least 2 pages. The effect relies on moving from one page to the next, so having more than one page is essential. If you are still planning your layout, keep a similar structure across pages so the motion feels natural. Now, let's add the visual cue of a page curl. Go to the Elements tab, then search for page turn or page curl. You'll see graphics that look like a folded corner. Place one of these on the corner of your first page, usually the bottom right or top right, depending on the direction you want the page to turn. Size it so it looks like a subtle curl rather than a large block, just enough to imply the page edge. Move to your second page and add the same page turn graphic again. This time, drag and stretch it so it runs fully along the edge from the side corner up to the top corner. The idea is to make the curl appear to continue as you transition, which helps the movement feel convincing. Keeping the same graphic and similar positioning across pages helps Canva track the object between slides. Between your pages, click the plus icon and choose Add Transition. Select Match and Move. This transition looks for matching elements on consecutive pages and animates the movement automatically. So your page curl appears to turn as you go from page 1 to page 2. To smooth it out, adjust the timing. Click the page, choose Edit Timing, and set the duration to around 1.5 to 2 seconds per second slide. A slightly longer duration gives the turn a realistic, readable pace. You can preview and fine-tune until it feels right. If you want an automatic flipbook effect, click the Share button at the top right, then choose to see all options. Scroll down under Design and select Hazine Flipbooks. Click it, select all pages, so the whole project is included, and click Save. A new Hazine Flipbooks window will open. Use your arrow keys to flip through and see the page turn effect presented as an interactive flipbook. That's it. Thanks for watching.